All right, what's up, Lyft drivers? How's it going? Or potential Lyft drivers? In today's video, we're talking about how to earn 2,000 bucks a week driving for Lyft in 2022. Yes, it's entirely possible. There are strategies you can utilize to outwork and outbeat the lower percentage of earners. There's a huge I guess variety of how much Lyft drivers earn. A lot of drivers go out and work 10, 15 bucks an hour. A lot also earn about $40 to $50 an hour. So we're gonna talk about how to hit those higher numbers so you can pay off your debt faster, make more money, achieve financial freedom, pay for a down payment on a house. Yes, all these things are possible driving for Lyft. This 2022, get with the program. You don't need to be working a 9 to 5 anymore. Screw that, I hate 9 to 5s. Achieve your financial freedom by using these apps. Whatever you want to do in life, start your own business. A lot of drivers start businesses, and that's kind of what I did too. I was trying to be an actor, entrepreneur, and that's, here I am today, all thanks to driving for Lyft. So thumbs up the video. Also want to share our video sponsor, Solo. Solo is an app that pays Uber and Lyft drivers a guaranteed pay. So this is one of the apps that a lot of newer drivers are starting, or a lot of drivers are starting to use to increase their earnings. And people who use Solo earn around $5,000 more per year on average. And when you sign up right now, they're gonna send you $15 just for signing up with their program. And it's totally free nationwide. They have some other ones, other partnerships or other programs as well, but let's get started. So like I said before, this is Solo. They do have this guaranteed pay feature amount like this here, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. you go out and work for Lyft. They're gonna make sure you earn $37 in that hour. If you make less, they will cover the difference. Now, they have these pricing plans. They say take home $5,000 more per year. Again, use our link below to get that sign up bonus of 15 bucks, and they have a free app nationwide. They also have other options too, obviously $7.99 for that guaranteed pay feature, and $3.99 for automated mileage tracking, so you save thousands of dollars at the end of the year for taxes. Lots of other stuff as well. You definitely want to make sure you are using Solo and taking advantage of that offer that they have right now with our unique link. So here we go, let's get started. Here's how to make 2,000 bucks a week driving for Lyft. This is a video, I'm gonna react to it, break it down, and share with y'all some tips on how to get started earning a bunch of income.
Looking at the best driver in the Bay Area, of course, Man, you looking at the best driver in the Bay Area, you hear me?
Firstly, shout out to Ronnie SPE TV. Thanks for sharing your earnings.
Yes, I am the best driver. Can't nobody mess with me. I've been doing this too long. So now I'm here to claim my throne.
So let's get into his earnings here.
13 minutes with 204.
Is this music copyrighted? I really hope it's not. I'm not trying to get copyright here. Okay, it doesn't look like it. But he worked for 8 hours and he made $204. So that's around 25 bucks an hour. So let's go into his day 2 here. Yeah, he hit the time limit, my friends. Yeah, so at the very beginning, you wanna kind of cap out and drive as much as you can, so that way you're learning the ropes, learning how to make as much money per day. We're talking 300, 400, 500 bucks a day. Just drive as much as you can. Look at that, $459, 46 rides in 17 hours.
Time is 5:20.
So, as you can see here, look at his overall earnings. Here we go, my friends. This is the part of the video you want to make sure you're watching. Here's how to make 2,000 bucks a week as a Lyft driver. Oh, also, by the way, a quick shout out to Play Octopus. If you have this, they're gonna start paying you every single week or month just for having this installed in your car, so your passengers play games.
Off the week at $2,014.
So look at that, my friends. There we go, 2,000 bucks. Or 2019 bucks, and he drove 64 hours. So let's break that down and see how that goes. So 2019 divided by, what is that, 64 hours? 31 bucks an hour, not bad at all, not bad at all. Now, when you drive that many hours, 64 hours, you're gonna be driving a lot of miles. So that's why it's really important to make sure you have an app like Work Solo so you can get automated mileage tracking, so you can basically understand out of that 2,000 bucks, how much are you gonna actually owe in taxes? And you get that mileage tracking. So for every mile right now, it's like 62.5 cents. Yeah, they just increased it to 62.5. For the 6 months of 2022, the standard mileage rate has gone up to 62.5 cents per mile. So if you drive 100,000 miles times 0.625, you're gonna pay basically $62,000. Please consult a CPA, but that's how it works. That's work solo, and that's how you earn 2,000 bucks a week. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts on how much are you making per week driving for Lyft. Bye now.